seat. You should probably take the wheel. I'm kinda twisted inside, and I don't know where I'm going. I'm just here for the ride, okay? Fuck, here comes a double vision. Does Megan Fox have a tune or something? Might be the Prozac kicking in, but she tossed her drink in my face and I didn't even flinch. My mom says love's not easy, just keep your head held high. People will find you pretty, I just wonder where they are. You like my Batman t-shirt, it costs like 50 bucks.
Hey guys, I'm up early on a Sunday morning. It's what, 6 a.m.?
6 a.m. Bag skate, pussies!
Probably gonna be cold, so we're gonna dress up warm. Bye!
Oh yeah, look at the bacon. Ah yeah. Oh yeah, the egg.
One of them broke.
One of them's broken. Oh no! Oh, it's dark. Very dark indeed. Is it? I might have to wipe it. Yo guys, holy shit, this camera's it's well dark. I might have to.
Hey guys, so we just stopped at Lac Des Arcs and it's so windy. We tried to get a sunrise photo. It was a bit cloudy today. It's always a popular place to stop and take some photos. Very nice.
Yo guys, finally got here. Three Sisters Trail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Excited. Look at how bright it is now.
Yeah, it's well nice and bright today.
So we'll get some drone shots.
Yeah, get some drone shots of where we're going now.
Out in the field.
Yeah. See that sign there? Alberta Highline.
Nice.
I didn't even see this sign before. It says Highline, Three Sister Connector. So, boom, here we go. No camping, no fires, no motorized vehicle. Doesn't say nothing about drones, man.
And I also looked it up on the Canada website.
So yeah, Cloudline Highline, I'll just walk straight past it there. Yes guys, here we are. Does anyone know what this is?
No.
Well obviously it's wood and metal. I'm not an idiot.
But like, what's the purpose of it?
It's almost like a giant barrel. Big long barrel. But it's,
Yeah.
yeah, it must have had wires inside maybe or something. Cables.
Like, yeah, what happened?
Who knows? You find some weird stuff when you walk out in these places. Yeah, it's slippy on here. Remember the spike shoes? So we need some spike shoes.
So let's hit the road,
Yeah.
Jack. Yeah, show us.
So, are you recording now?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Yeah, sweet. Yo guys, so yeah, yo guys, fucking, are you a DJI, fucking DJI Mini 4 Pro. Got it out again eventually. Yeah, it's pretty good actually. We've had it for a couple of months now. We've crashed it so many times. It just keeps on going. You know? It's just like
It's a beast.
yeah, it's a beast, man. It's just literally the work for.
I'll just hold it while it takes off. Yeah,
I always hate doing it, right? You know when people come.
I
It
know.
makes me feel weird. I don't know why. there's loads of people out here on this trail. Like if you feel like you're out in the middle of nowhere, then you kind of like are, but there's still people jogging around here and walking around here. So definitely a good place to come to if you want to feel like you're in the middle of nowhere, but actually you're not. Right, we've got to another sign, guys. That's where that bridge is up there. So we just hit this sign,
Down here, right?
so we can go down to the east, connected to Quarry Lane, which is meant to be pretty good. Get some
Quarry
good shots
Lake's
of
really
Quarry Lane.
pretty, remember?
We'll do that.
Yeah. Okay, awesome. So,
Yeah,
down
see,
here, guys.
we'll go down this way, so we'll see you down there, guys. Peace out.
I don't know, just wherever, just outside, you know, somewhere,
Nice.
just for a few minutes.
Yeah, I will.
Build it in. Just want to be a galley, just want to be kind of you've done your day.
No, I'll do it for like a couple of minutes, maybe at start work.
Yeah, just a couple of minutes, yeah.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah, look, we're down here now. Yeah, guys, we're out at the other end now. So we've literally just been so the car's back over there. It's about an hour that way. We went up all the way around, back down there.
Okay, now we're closer.
Fuck!
Wow.
That's solid.
And guess what? I see the car.
Yeah, you can see the Lancer.
Okay, guys. Our stats for today. We were out 5 hours because we took a little longer than usual.
Yeah.
So we just came back.
We just came back from the Iron Goat.
Guys, we just got some nachos. Looks so good. The main course, I got a salad. Will got some fries. Look at this.
Look at it! 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 I want all of you to look at it!
It's a Saskatoon berry crumble. See, I got it.
I'm in the back seat. You should probably take the wheel. I'm kinda twisted inside, and I don't know where I'm going. I'm just here for the ride, okay? Fuck, here comes a double vision. Does Megan Fox have a tune or something? Might be the Prozac kicking in, but she tossed her drink in my face and I didn't even flinch. My mom says love's not easy, just keep your head held high. People will find you pretty, I just wonder where they are. You like my Batman t-shirt, it costs like $50.